Hello. So today I am talking about the security testing. So in software testing, we have also called as the security testing. So security testing is a type of software testing that ensure the application is secure from potential threats, vulnerabilities, and unauthorized access. So the security testing is a process to protect our application from attackers and hackers. The main goal is to identify and address vulnerabilities in the application that could be exploited by malicious users. This involves testing different aspects of the application, such as authentication, authorization, and input validation and data protection and so on, to ensure that the application is secure and sensitive information is safeguarded against unauthorized access. So the basically security testing is a process to protect our application from hackers. And we check the while doing security testing, we check our application is secure or not. So we have different reasons that may affect our application or attackers that helps attackers to attack. So the reason is first reason is design flaws. So if in application if we have any design flaws, so it may help attackers to attack easily. For example, in ATM machine, after withdrawing money, if ATM machine is not logged out, so not logged out from our account, so if the attackers easily attack or hack our account. So this is the one reason design flaws. Second is the weak password. So if we take or if we set weak password or any application, so that weak password can hackers easily identify and hack our account. So for example, password like very common password like 1234 or password or name our name. So this is a very weak password. And the next reason is poor and complex coding. So when we do the coding part, so if we do hard coding means hard coding means we enter data. We if we enter data, confidential data in our code, so this that may also help attackers to attack easily. And also human errors. So human errors, sometimes humans make mistake like the email or any the opening personal emails in our client machines or any another machine. So this is the common human errors they do. So this is the another reason for it helps hackers to attack. So we have types of security testing. We have two types of security testing. Is first is vulnerability scanning. So vulnerability scanning means this vulnerability scanning is performed with the help of automated software or tools like Brute Suite. So it is scan a system to detect known vulnerability patterns. Second is security scanning. Scanning is the identifications of network and system weakness. Later on, it provides solution for reducing these defects or risk. Security scanning can be carried out in both manually and automated ways also. The next type is penetration testing. So penetration testers or ethical hacker also called, might try to break into the website by entering common password and check that common password give access to unauthorized users. It's give access or not. If the if the unauthorized users able to access their data, so it means it is on that application. We need to check that once, or we need to fix that security. And the another type is security auditing. Security auditing means we check the line by line code if have any if have any revealing the confidential information, the confidential data or not. And the another type is ethical hacking. So ethical hacking is help to organize to identify flaws on systems. So ethical hacking is basically main goal is to check the main purpose of ethical hacking is to expose the security flaws in organizations' systems. The API testing, another testing is API security testing. So API testing means using Postman, we can do the API testing. We can test the backend part. We can check the authentication and authorization of the API. So authentication means we check the identification of that person, and authorization means we check the which permission or we check basically the permissions of that user, which type of work they can access to that application. And the another type also we have testing the three tier layers individually. Like first is presentation layer, second is logic layer, and third is data layer. So these three layers are three attires layers. So we check also these three attire layers. And the next type is SQL injection. So SQL injection means we checking the application by entering the SQL command. And cross-site scripting means using JavaScript code or JavaScript executor. We check that application is able to access that application or not. And also the hackers also use the proxy server. So proxy server means is basically act as an intermediary between our device and network. So this is the proxy server means if we if we send any request to the internet, so in between attackers some attackers use that proxy server, and the client request is directly not given directly to the internet. It first due to the proxy server and then go to the internet. And also the response is also not go to the client. It's first go to the proxy server and then client. So this is the process of proxy server. So this process is also used the attackers for attacking or hacking the application. And so we have DDoS. DDoS is attackers or hackers also use DDoS. DDoS is distributed denial of service. So it is like means attackers target one specific machines or server or application. It's target one particular target, and it's attack using multiple bots or multiple machines. So one time, lot of machines or lot of users use or attack one particular application. So the application or server speed it should be reduced. So the basic main agenda of DDoS is like reduce the speed of that application or crash or block that server. So this is the main agenda of the DDoS, and we DDoS and proxy server. So using DDoS and proxy server, attackers use proxy server and DDoS for attacking or hacking the applications. So this got all about the security testing. The security testing is very important as a part of as a point of its users also, and the and the company also, because if we do not complete security testing, then the easily attackers or hackers they attack our application, and it able to access our confidential information like users information like password or ID or anything. So that's the reason security testing is very important for all for any application. Thank